And I pointed this out to you before. I'm gonna point it out again in probably every video because I'm just so fascinated with it. When we bought this elephant here in this pot, it was one plant. That's what we planted. Now you see it's come up two. Now if you look, that one has split. That's one trunk that comes out of the ground and splits into two plants. If you look, that one does the same thing and splits into two separate plants at the top. But if you look at this separate one, it's starting to split again. So I got to figure out what those are because that's going to be pretty interesting. And the other one over here, now this one I hadn't had any other babies off of yet, but this other one we looked at right before that and we're going to walk back to. These two were both bought at Espositos on the same day, both in the same kind of pot, and both labeled the same, and the leaves look the same. This one has never split. This one puts babies on all the way around it every year. The other one has never put on a baby. So I don't know. The leaves look the same shape, same sheen. There's one of them crickets I got to spray for, or grasshopper, I mean. Of some sort, anyhow. So I don't know. Say it looks the same in every characteristic. The only difference in the two is this one puts on pups, the other one never has. The other one is split into multiple branches. This one or any of them I've transplanted off of it never have. So I don't know. That's kind of strange. And some of the pups off of it are in shade, some are in sun, so it's not like you're not getting a valuable deal. Anyhow.